Supporting the airframe is the first step in safe, effective repair. Before any damaged parts are removed, engineering teams assess how to support the aircraft. Weight distribution is critical. Removing parts like wings or tanks shifts the aircraft's centre of gravity. Marshall engineers develop tailored jacking and trestling plans for each maintenance scenario. Jack points to load paths, every element is calculated to keep the aircraft stable and safe. Wing jacks, belly holds, and trestles are carefully positioned to protect structural integrity. Improper support can twist the airframe or stress key components. Planning prevents this. With the right support in place, heavy maintenance can begin with confidence.